Hey everyone, my name is Anna Carroll. I'm the Activity and Volunteer Coordinator here at Person County Senior Center, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a really fun marble pumpkin craft. This is super easy and fun to do, whether at home, we hear it as a class, but it's super fun to do. It just makes a really fun, creative pumpkin design. I'll show you an example of one that I've already done. Really pretty, just makes a fun like marble print on a pumpkin, and it is super simple. You only need a few things. One is a pumpkin. We got these off Amazon, so you do not have to use a real pumpkin. This is a nice foam pumpkin that is great to use. And you'll also want to use nail polish. I would suggest, since it's the fall time, maybe doing some fun fall colors, but that is completely up to you. However many colors you'd like, there is no limit. I just pulled a few out here that are make a fun color palette, and then you'll also want toothpicks. That way you can swirl your nail polish that's in the water to make it a fun design. And you'll also need a bowl. This is where you'll put your water in and what you'll also put your nail polish in. So you want to have a nice deep bowl so you can have enough room to dip your pumpkin in. And then cotton swabs, if you want to kind of rub off the nail polish to kind of redo it, you can use cotton swabs to kind of touch up a little bit. And plastic gloves so you don't get your hands dirty as you dip it into the nail polish. But let's get started. Like I said, I already have my bowl of water here, so make sure you have that prepped and ready. And then I'm going to start by adding in my nail polish. So pour it in, and the key is to kind of get it as close to the water as possible for it to float on top, because if you don't, then it will sink to the bottom. Again, just kind of swirling these in a nice fun pattern and as close to the surface as possible, just to make sure that the nail polish will be able to float is always good. Love adding in some fun different colors. For this, I'm doing a red, an orange. I've got like a pale green, a purple, and then kind of a more glittery blue. So fun sort of pattern design. If you're maybe at a loss for color combinations or ideas, this is a really fun one. Add this in, swirl it all around, and then once that is done, I am then going to take a toothpick and then just kind of swirl it around just to kind of get the design and the colors kind of going where I like them to, just kind of mix them a bit more and how I would like them to be on the pumpkin. So just swirl it around. Again, there's not too many colors. You can have as many colors as you want. If you want to do 2 colors, if you want to do 10 colors, it does not matter. It's totally up to you and just how you want to decorate your pumpkin. And then when you're ready, have your pumpkin here and you'll just dip it into the water. This is why it's key to have gloves, so you can really dip it all the way in and not have to worry about your hands getting dirty. I kind of swirl it around a little bit to get all the colors. Sometimes you have to dip it down in a few times for it to get everywhere. And you'll notice once you do all the nail polish and the water is completely gone because obviously it's on the pumpkin. And then you'll let it out and it has this really fun marble pattern design. And this is really neat. Make sure you have a paper towel or something so you can set it down to dry on top. But this is great. Again, you can use it with any size pumpkin, whether you want a mini pumpkin. These are kind of medium size. If you want a bigger pumpkin, I think real pumpkins work well as too, but this is a great, really fun craft to do, especially with, you know, Halloween coming up and the fall season really has begun. So this is a fun, easy craft to do with your friends. If you have grandchildren, this is a great, fun activity to do with them as well. It's just super easy, super fun, very minimal ingredients, which is what I like, and it only takes a couple minutes to do a really fun pumpkin design. So that is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.